Hello, everybody. This time I would like to discuss about the application for discharge permit through online permitting and monitoring system or OPMS of DNR EMB. So this is the platform for the application of discharge permit through opms.emb.gov.ph. So what we do here is to create an account for us to start our application for discharge permit. Here in the account registration, we will provide the first name, for example, Juan, last name, De La Cruz, then company represented, ABC Company Inc., then address, example, Barangay Alangilan, Batangas City, Batangas. Also, we will provide the mobile number and then landline if applicable. The email address, for example, juan@gmail.com. Then confirm email, juan@gmail.com. Password, whatever desired password. And then we shall provide or upload the copy of competent evidence of identity and the authorization letter. After that, click I agree and then click submit. So after submission, there will be a notification to this email. So we need to activate our account to start our discharge permit application. So after activating our account, we shall enter to our account using our email and password. Here inside the OPMS, we shall transact with DNR EMB for our discharge permit application. So just click discharge permit and then new discharge permit. So push this button and then we have now our application form steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in step 6, we will upload the pertinent requirements for discharge permit application. What are the requirements for discharge permit? The requirements for discharge permit application for the first time or new application are the following: the notarized application form, which is downloadable in the step 5 or of the OPMS, copy of the ECC or CNC issued by EMB Regional Office, copy of the PCO accreditation or the appointment letter, or at least the proof of submitted application for PCO accreditation. Another requirement is DNR ID number as a hazardous waste generator, the water billing statement, and the drawing plans and layouts signed and sealed by a sanitary engineer. So the plan and elevation layout, vicinity map, and the wastewater line layout. We shall also submit the engineer's report and the official receipt for load-based fee and application fee. So after preparing those requirements, we can submit our application requirements to the OPMS in step 6. Here in step number 6, we shall add the files and then submit to the system. For renewal of our discharge permit after 1 year or 2 years, Here we will submit the following renewal requirements: the proof of compliance to permit conditions, the receipt of the application fee amounting to 95 pesos, the notarized application form, downloadable in step number 5, the DNR ID number, the result of laboratory analysis, and the proof of submitted self-monitoring report, particularly Module 1 and 3, and the Module 6, the copy of the latest wastewater discharge permit, the copy of the PCO accreditation or appointment letter, or the proof of submitted application of PCO accreditation, and official receipt for the load-based fee or the wastewater discharge fee, and other pertinent documents deemed necessary. So we just add the files, select the file, and then upload. Finalize our application for submission. In this for action button, if there will be additional comment, or if there are things to act pertaining to the application of discharge permit, it will appear here. So since we don't have any um, items here, so there's no uh, action to be taken. Now, the application for discharge permit and its approval will take about 30 working days. And once approved for our application, you can download the copy of the certificate or the discharge permit in the system. So thank you very much for listening, and I hope you have learned about the application for discharge permit. Now there are areas that are not required to submit their application through OPMS because they are located in the Laguna de Bai region. So those establishments located in the Laguna de Bai region shall submit their application to the Laguna Lake Development Authority. Thank you very much everyone, and mabuhay ang mga PCO.